China historically was the manufacturing hub of the world. So anything that you can think of is being manufactured in China. And that's why also many people thought China was a copycat country. Can China really in the internet and technology space be innovative? Is this really possible? When I was here 7 years ago, to me it was already clear that China is quite innovative. But to a lot of people that are not here every day, they don't see it. My name is Fabian Von Heimburg. I'm the co-founder and managing director of Hotnest Technology, as well as the chief representative for the German Startups Association in China. For a long time, people have said China is copying the West. A lot of people were really surprised when China was doing so well in AI and smart manufacturing, in technologies, that they thought this happened really sudden. But in fact, by being here, you can see this was also a progress. Of course, China was catching up with technology at the beginning. They were looking at, they have Facebook, they have Twitter, they have e-commerce. We also want that. They quickly localized it. And then obviously, after some time, they brought a lot of these products to a different level. Initially, a lot of people were saying, oh, WeChat is just another continuation of WhatsApp. But this was just for a very brief moment of time.
Espresso, please.
Do I scan you?
Yeah, you scan me.
They integrated everything now. Now you can buy movie tickets, now you can book your holidays, you can do doctor's appointments, you can get loans. They have everything, right? But WhatsApp, until this day, is mostly for sending messages. In Europe, you need 10 apps to do one thing. In China, you just need one app to do everything. There's this one big revolution that has happened in the China internet, which was the business-to-customer revolution. Within just 5-10 years, you saw everybody using e-commerce.
这个是我们一个实时的电商销售的管理系统。那这块的话，就是能够看到本月的它一个总的销售额情况。
E-commerce in China has developed from just simply selling goods online to integrating with a bunch of different functions. You can integrate e-commerce with mobile payment. For Chinese people, this might sound very obvious, but in Europe, we still use other companies to pay for the things that we buy on e-commerce. China historically was the manufacturing hub of the world. So how you do this, obviously you have these very developed manufacturers who want to create their own brands, and you have this new technology of live streaming where you just have an influencer who easily sells you a new brand, bringing manufacturing and the end consumer directly together. With these platforms like Kuaishou or TikTok, they already brought it to the next level. I think the Chinese government is very supportive of tech innovation. One thing everybody says that China is doing very well, from the business community, also from the government community. They set these big visions. China 2025, China 2030, world leader in smart manufacturing, world leader in AI, world leader in going to space. And they actually make it happen. Before, in the China Vision 2025, it talks about, artificial intelligence, technology, and China already being a leading player there. Today, it's actually already happening. We are in 2021, and China is already world leading. So some goals they even reached previously. China is just constantly performing well in most of the goals that they set. I don't think the world needs to be afraid of China's digital development or expansion. For example, when it comes to electronic mobility, China is already a world leader. So a lot of the German car companies are learning from the electronic mobility startups such as NIO or obviously the battery manufacturers behind them. Technology should not have national boundaries. Technology should be something that is created and that should be a global thing. Instead of fighting these developments, we should embrace it and also see the positive things.